crafters, it's Sam here. Today we're going to talk about UV light. If you ever worked with UV resin, you've probably wondered, do I need a UV flashlight or do I need a UV lamp? Well, today we're going to talk about the purposes for both and how you would use them. This is the MakerFlo UV lamp. It's a game changer for bigger projects. If you're curing tumblers, larger resin pieces, or if you just want hands-free curing, it's going to be your best bet. Just set it down, let it do its thing, and in no time you've got a flawless cure. Now let's talk about the MakerFlo UV flashlight. This one's perfect for everything on the go. It's going to be great for small keychains, for drips, or just a quick on-spot cure. This one's going to be your best friend for all of those portable situations. Plus, if you're a crafter on the go and you don't want to pull out your lamp, just use your flashlight. So the big question, which one do I need? Well, the answer is, it depends. If you're working on bigger projects, the lamp is a no-brainer. If you want precision and portability, the flashlight's going to be your best friend. So my advice, if you really want to make your life easier, just get both. You won't regret it. Trust me, once you have both, you'll wonder how you ever crafted without them. Find them at MakerFlo.com because the right tools make all the difference.